Hello, everyone. Adrian Card here from the CFEGA team, and this is our fourth video in series of four for tech support. Um, Hopefully, you have prepared and you're feeling good about this, but if you run into a glitch, we're here to help support you. So your first step in here to self-serve, and this has been mentioned in previous videos, I'm going to do it before I show you the help tab. 90% of your issues may get solved, likely get solved if you simply refresh the page. I want you to do that first. Before anything else, just reload the page. Remember, it's a website. Sometimes it may be doing something odd, and you can correct it that way. Next up, go over here and look at the help tab. And in here, we have loaded, and you found all these other videos that you're watching now that are linked down here at the bottom. You've probably already seen this, but these steps 1 through 8 will help you resolve a lot of additional issues that you might find in interacting with the platform. And if you're unable, again, to self-serve and fix your issue, we will have, before the event, the tech support button staffs for email, and you can email our tech support guru, Matt McFadden, and Matt will reply back to you. Likely not in real time before the event, but we'll try to give you some support that way. During the event, February the 28th and March the 1st, we'll turn it on to be live chat with Matt. So he will help you get back into the game here as quickly as he can. And one thing, if you really want to nerd out on this, sometimes I go way too deep into it. You can on a PC, and I don't know Mac very well, but some of the things that we advise you on is if you're in a low internet setting to try to free up some bandwidth. The speed loop is going to need about 25 megabits per second of upload and download speed. And you can look and see how your computer is performing. I'll show you that. And one other tip in here to say too is I see this with colleagues, and sometimes they have other internet websites that are currently running on their computer. If they would close those, both internet and local based applications, sometimes that frees up central processing unit speed within the computer. It helps it perform better. So essentially trying to dedicate everything your computer is doing only to feed loop. If you're having computer hardware performance issues and internet connectivity bandwidth issues, that's going to help you. But here's the nerdy tech way to look at within a PC how it's performing and if it's all maxed out. So I'm going to press Control Alt Delete. The screen's going to change. I think maybe you can see this. And this dialog box appears. Hopefully you can see this now. And this is in Windows 10. I think, or 11. Click on performance, and you can see, and I really push my computer pretty hard, but you can see how the CPU is performing currently that I'm using in this graphic. That doesn't help, does it? In this graphic, I'm using 59% of my CPU, the chip in there that's processing everything. And then the memory, the random access memory that the computer needs to use also, I'm using 51% of that. So if you were to open this and see those really maxed out continuously, you would know that you need to do something on your end to try to resolve both your computer performance, basically your computer performance issues, because these don't speak directly to internet connectivity. So maybe that's helpful, maybe not, but we're here for you for tech support. Try to self-serve first through this help button. Well, the very first thing is to use Chrome, right? And the permissions here are listed. And the third thing, which I think should be your first tech support solution, is to refresh the page. That can do some brilliant things. And if you can't self-serve it, the tech support button is there for you. So we hope you have a great experience. We're going to do our best to make sure that's the case. And if you have a chance to work through all of what you've seen in these videos and be prepared, you'll have a better experience if this is a brand new experience for you within FeedLoop. So we'll see you there in the event. Thanks so much.